tell me when you're ready.
You're good.
Hey, Ron. So just kind of configuring this. So setting this up, pretty straightforward. First of all, on the side here, I think you already know this, but pull that up, turn it where you want it. And if you're not seeing the pressure do what you want it to do, just maybe give it a couple of like compressions down.
We don't have the air compressor. There you go.
Yeah, there you go. So give it a couple of compressions down. Then you might see this move because I think it stores some residual pressure. All right, on this, first of all, on the front of this, when you're on this, when this is not pressed in, it's going to automatically go down. All right. If it automatically goes down, this is a, or if you want an emergency up, this is a emergency. Now, when you do that, you'll also have to then release it by just clicking it to the right, and then that'll release the emergency switch back up. All right, now get a close-up of this because what he really wants to see is, so there's like a little, I think it's like a preset or cancel button right here on the far left of these buttons. And this toggles mode 1 or mode 2, and you can see I'm in mode like mode 1, mode 2. When you're on a mode, when you hit this button, it puts you into where you can actually set it. So the first click, you'll start to see temperature set is flashing, and then you can change the temperature up and down. Like I might want to set that to say 310, for example. Hit this again, it'll go to the time. So I'll take that down to say 3 seconds. We typically go 5 seconds, so I'll just leave it at 5 seconds and then hit that again and it's all set. Everything stops flashing. Then if you click this, you go into mode 2, just do the same thing. So we'll click this, hit temperature is flashing, bump that up to call it 310 again, hit it again. I'll leave it at 2 seconds, but you could change it if you want. I'm typically like 5 and 2, and then hit that again and you're done. That's all there is to it. Now you can just kind of go back and forth with this. So what we'll typically do is say have it on 2 seconds, and just for convenience and just to demonstrate too, I've got the pedal hooked up down here. So with the pedal hooked up, have that pressed in so it doesn't automatically go down. Okay, but now when it clicks, I'll hit the pedal. We're on 2 seconds. So here we go. Or we can go here. And then our workflow will typically be, if I'm in a hurry, I'll do automatic. So I'll have this out, and then I'll go 2 seconds for a pre-press. And then I'll swap it to 5 seconds for the main press. Of course, after you put the shirt and the transfer down. All right, and then I'll go back to 2 seconds, throw a cover sheet on, and do that. All right. So that's basically the setup and how to configure this and what the options on the buttons and the foot pedal are like and how to swap back and forth. Hope that's helpful.